For this lesson, we'll put a small gate to the entry of the back of our property. To do this, we are going to go into the Insert tab, move over to our fly down by the content browser. Fly down until you see the Design Center. Left click on the Design Center and across the tabs at the top, we're going to select Folders. We're going to scroll down all the way past and over to our sample folder. We're going to select the plus sign next to EN US. We're going to open up our Design Center, scroll over, and we're going to use our House Designer.dwg. Double click on the House Designer, and to open up the blocks, either select the blocks in the drop down or double click on the blocks in the window. All these components are two-dimensional components, have no 3D capabilities. To simply bring this in, and we're going to use the door and the right hung door. We can click, hold, and drag it out on our screen. We could also double click and bring it up in that manner and click on our screen. I'm going to close out the Design Center, single left click on one of my doors, and select Delete. I'm going to zoom up in this area. I'm going to go back to my Home tab. I'm going to select Align command. Left click on the reference swing of the door, and left click on where the door would be hinged. Select Escape. I'm going to select the Move command and select both the door and the line and select Enter. I'm going to select the midpoint of my reference line and select the midpoint of my fence line that comes off my building wall. I'm going to drop two lines down, one by my reference swing, left click, Escape. Pan over from where my door would be hinged, left click. I'm going to trim out the interior, select Trim, select the line, select the line, select the line, select the reference line that was over the fence line. I have a gate now entering my property. I'm going to select Escape. I'm going to use my Copy command. In the middle of my Modify toolbar, left click on Copy, and I'm going to copy my fence post. I'm going to highlight by means of a front drag. Select Enter. Select the midpoint of the right side of my post to pick it up. Left click on the midpoint of where the reference swing is. I'm also going to stay in this command. I'm going to go against my building line. Left click. I'm also going to drop one here and then select Escape. In my Modify, I'm going to select Move. I'm going to move this post, Enter, and pick it up from the left side, midpoint of the post, and place it here. I'm going to use my Trim command to clean up the posts. I now have my reference to a gate to my property. Select Escape. File, Save As, Save, yes, Replace.